to bring joy to people in society through car seats. This is the thought behind our manufacturing. We are not bound to the present, but rather have the will and determination to take on the challenges of a world whose future shape we cannot yet see, to create products that go beyond the present. This is our driving force. We began by making motorcycle seats with sewing technology used to produce worker uniforms. We then turned to production of car seats. We took our first steps toward global operations. One of these steps was our shift to local production, which is now common practice. TSTech established its first production center in the US more than 40 years ago. We currently have a development and production system that starts in Japan and spans the globe, allowing us to quickly respond to customer needs in each country and region. Every seat we make contains technologies and ideas that one cannot imagine from appearance alone. We pay particular attention to comfort. The notion of comfort in seats changes with the times, trends in society, and the people who sit in them. The 1980s ushered in the era of long-distance driving. We first responded by quantifying the intangible concept of comfort. We took the causes of fatigue, such as vibration, body pressure distribution, and sitting posture, and turned them into numbers that could be visualized, working to develop comfortable seats that prevent fatigue. This ergonomics-based pursuit of comfort led to TSTech's original comfort theory, which focused on the state of weightlessness in a zero-gravity environment. This approach is incorporated into our products even today. The minivan boom of the 1990s and the desire for a space to enjoy with family and friends changed the concept of comfort. One result of this was seating arrangements. We have tackled innovative seating arrangements that make the interior space more comfortable and more convenient. Our original technologies utilize our years of know-how to enable an array of configurable seat arrangements, which are currently being used by a major German automaker. Our pursuit of comfort is leading to amazing new technologies. In addition to comfort, people need safety technologies that protect all who ride in a vehicle. In 2004, the most advanced crash test equipment of its time was first introduced in Japan. The data obtained through hundreds of high-precision tests a year, more than ever before, has led to advanced simulation analysis. Now, we are making full use of simulation analysis in the early development stages and verifying them through full-scale tests with prototypes in the final stages, enabling faster development while giving products even more advanced safety performance. This is backed up by the top-level awards our products have consistently earned from auto safety organizations worldwide. As the size of our business grows, the impact of a global event, like a financial crisis, becomes greater. We are working to become more resilient to such changes, and our approach is meticulous, efficient production. By extending operations to countries that make our production more competitive, we can build a system that lets us supply parts globally. We are also actively working to make our production more automated and more efficient. Further automation of production from welding processes to door trim assembly and material handling at our manufacturing centers around the globe creates faster, more precise production capabilities. We continue to research additional automation day after day as we keep working to build world-class production facilities. Also, since seats are interior components that users see and touch, even if products are assembled precisely through automated machines, the final check is detailed. Rigorous inspection of each part by experienced personnel, which is how we deliver products that meet strict quality standards to customers worldwide. New customers are essential for further corporate growth. Our regional offices and development centers around the globe work together with the mother plant in Japan to actively seek out new business. In addition, we are building a more efficient development system to enable optimal allocation of work through close coordination with development centers throughout the world, while our main development center focuses on our impressive core technologies. We have received new orders from a major German automaker as well as a major American motorcycle manufacturer, and we are currently launching new production lines. Leveraging the technologies and advantages we have developed over the years, we will deliver products to our new customers around the world. What will seats be like in automobiles of the future? First, we must consider the arrival of the accident-free, fully automated driving society. Rather than conventional qualities like safety, values such as the ultimate comfort, workspaces, and communication spaces may be the performance and functions that people demand of car seats and interiors. With this future in mind, we are working toward new value creation day after day as part of our efforts to continue to be a company that provides products that make people happy. One example is Innovage, the next-gen car interior designed for the age of autonomous driving. It offers a variety of seat arrangements to meet an array of needs and monitors occupants by sensing biological information, such as heart rate and respiration. Lighting and music can also be controlled to make the interior even more relaxing. Using a range of emerging technologies, it transforms the space for transportation into a special place that lets people do more than ever before. A fusion of our automobile seat technologies and the IoT, the Aisareru seat provides new forms of entertainment by sensing the movements of the person seated in it and linking these movements with apps that use the seat as a controller. It not only provides new ways to pass the time in next-gen car interiors, it has the potential for use in a wide range of fields, including sports and healthcare. The next development to consider is new forms of mobility. Unlike autonomous driving, flying cars, manned spacecraft, and other future forms of mobility will require a new approach to safety. Going beyond the current automotive fields, we are engaged in research with academic and government agencies on the safety of occupants and manned spacecraft, and we will leverage these perspectives in the new mobility era. The automotive industry is undergoing a major transformation, and we will keep taking on new challenges and seek greater growth than ever before. As times change, so does the social responsibility demanded of companies, and thus sustainable manufacturing is essential for further corporate growth. Through our manufacturing, we are working to contribute to improved fuel efficiency and save resources by reducing product weight. and developing eco-friendly materials. And we are cutting CO2 emissions by actively implementing energy-saving measures at our production centers, head office, and other management offices, and installing equipment with low power consumption at production facilities. We also routinely make improvements to create production lines that are more worker-friendly. We are striving for manufacturing that is both people and environmentally friendly. And our efforts to contribute to a sustainable society do not stop at manufacturing, extending to reforestation and other CSR programs around the world that are tailored to each region. Through our core belief of realizing people's potential, the TSTech Group will keep striving to be a company sincerely welcomed by all.
TSTech is a very challenging company.
I take pride in my work at TSTech.
Para mí, TSTech es una empresa que nos da la oportunidad de aprender mediante trabajo en equipo.
บริษัท TSTech มีบรรยากาศการทำงานที่ดีน่าร่วมงานค่ะ
精彩完於新挑戰，同心創造新機遇。
รัก TSTech ค่ะ
TSTech ขอบคุณมากเลยค่ะ
Ich bin stolz, für eine Firma zu arbeiten, die viel Wert auf ihre Angestellten legt.
結伴成長，實踐理想。
I am a proud employee of TSTech.
At TSTech, we make seats not only for comfort, but also to bring joy to people throughout the world. In order to do so, our imagination goes beyond the present to take on the challenges of a world whose future shape we cannot yet see.